Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can share a PDF via link using Adobe Acrobat Pro Reader. Let's begin. First, open the Acrobat Reader, then open your PDF file. I'm going to choose any PDF file I have. Then once you have everything set up, if you notice, we have an option in here to click on Share. So depending on the version you have, you just really need to locate to this option or section. Create a link to share. Now, if I'm going to click on it, basically nothing happens. So you actually need to sign in first to enable this feature. So you can click on this option. It might prompt you to sign in, and once you're signed in, this file will be uploaded to your account's cloud storage so that you can enable the PDF link option. So go ahead, once you have signed in, you can go back in here, and Adobe Acrobat should provide you or generate you a link that you can easily share between your peers and colleagues. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.